Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make the text larger on your iPhone screen running iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you're having difficulties reading the iPhone screen, then you need to enable this feature. So let me show you how to do this. First, you want to go into Settings. Next, you want to scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then you want to tap on Display and Text Size. Now on this page, you're looking for larger text. And as you can see, it's currently switched off. Tap on it. And now on this screen, you want to enable larger accessibility sizes. Go ahead and enable this. Down below, you have a text slider. So here, if you go to the left, your text will become small. If you go to the right, your text will become large. And once you're happy, go ahead and tap on back. And that is how to make your text larger on your iPhone screen running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.